I'm going to show you a quick way to do some training wheels on a Razor. I'm assuming they're all the same frame, but this is a mx125. I think they make a 250, a 450, and a 500, I think maybe. Not too sure about that, but 3/4 inch square tubing fits inside of these after you remove the foot pegs. Take those off, put them in a bag. That way you can have them if you ever want to take the training wheels off. These come from Tractor Supply, 8-inch wheels, 6-inch, half-inch bolts, 4 washers, and lock nuts. All right, so cut the head off your bolts. It'll slide right up in there. You either need a welder or you can drill and put a little pin in here just to hold these. What that's going to do is that wheel will slide up in there. You can put the lock nut on after a washer and a washer back here just to keep these from spinning. Don't tighten them too tight. They just need a little bit of play. It's got a sleeve here, so I mean, if you run it up on there, you're all right. It's not gonna hurt nothing. All right, so I cut these pieces here, 8.5 to here to the inside. It kind of comes down right here, so it won't go all the way through. So it'll go up in here. I just took the same area that them foot pegs went on and drilled a 7/16 bolt. Well, hole for a bolt. Put a lock washer and flat washers on it. But there it is. It'll spin better once it gets freed up out there. I painted them all black, keep everything from rusting. And there's your finished product. It's got, probably 3 inches of. I don't think you want them where they're flat on the ground. Number one, it'll pick a back tire up. Number two, kid ain't never gonna learn how to ride. So this will just keep them from falling over.